1/5 of HVAC companies that are in the US fail every year. And is it 7 out of 10 companies that start, they fail within the first year. So it is so challenging to be able to run an HVAC business, partially because some of these habits that are accepted as being the norm, which is that you have to make a crap ton of revenue within this 3-month time span within the busy season. 200 to 500 is the common cost for leads, but that's still really high. Like the cost of acquisition in a lot of industries for new customers between 20 and $100. It's a lot of money for such a low profit margin. On average, businesses have a 1 to 4% profit margin within this industry compared to other industries that have 7 to 10%. That's just wild.